Can you see the screen? Then type yes on chat box. Then we have proceed today's lecture. So we are already discussed bacteriostatic evaluation of bacteriostatic disinfectant. Now we are see the evaluation of bactericidal disinfectant. So it is three ways, that is phenol coefficient test, endpoint technique and extinction time method. In that phenol coefficient, so this, see the phenol coefficient test, it is divided into two methods. Okay, that is the Riedel Walker coefficient method and the Chick Martin test. Okay. Next one, AOAC. So it is the long AOAC means American Association of Official Analytic Chemicals. Okay, this is also related to the phenol coefficient test. That test is describe the various agency. Okay, in that various scientists. So that Chick Martin, again the Redal Walker, also FDA. FDA is long form of Food and Drug Administrative. Okay, so FDA also describes some standard for the phenol coefficient test. And next one, Crown test. Okay, so so these are the five ways where the phenol coefficient tests are explained. Okay, so first test, that is the why phenol coefficient test. So it is test for the measurement of bactericidal activity. Okay, and this stage is carried out by measure the concentration at which a chemical is equal in the effectiveness to phenol. Okay, uh, in that test there are two bacteria used, that is known as the Staphylococcus aureus or Salmonella typhi. Okay, these two types of bacteria used for the that test. Okay, and it is inoculated by at the 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 days. And phenol coefficient test, it is calculated by phenol coefficient, it is calculated by concentration of chemical divided by the concentration of phenol. Okay, so what the phenol, how phenol that affect on the chemical. Okay, increase the chemical effectiveness, that term is known as the phenol coefficient. Okay, and it is determined by concentration of chemical divided by concentration of phenol. If chemical is equal to the phenol at the same concentration, then its phenol coefficient is 1. And if concentration of chemical is less than phenol, then phenol coefficient is greater than 1. Okay, so see, second type, it is having two methods determine phenol coefficient. That is the first Riedel-Walker method and Chick-Martin test. So Riedel-Walker test, it is known as the RW test. In that, it is the ratio of dilution of disinfectant that kill a microorganism to the dilution of phenol that kills the organism in the same time under the identical condition. Okay, so here taking the dilution, okay, of the phenol and the their disinfectant or chemical. The test is based on the principle of dilution of test disinfectant is compared with the standard dilution of a phenol. Okay, further activity against Salmonella typhi. So procedure, firstly prepare a sample. The disinfectant fluid sample is mixed thoroughly and is withdrawn from the middle of the sample without formed air bubble. Okay, that is disinfectant is mixed with the disinfectant fluid is mixed thoroughly and then withdraw the middle sample without formed a bubble. Then it is in apparatus used for the loop, 4 mm in internal diameter. Then next one, loop folder. Okay, loop and loop holder. Incubator, it is maintained at temperature at 30 degrees Celsius plus minus 1 degree Celsius. Okay, pipettes, standard graduated pipette of capacity 10 ml, 5 ml, 1 ml are required, and the dropping method made to deliver 0.2 ml. Okay, medication tube, 5 sterile plugged rimless, test tube 125 mm or 22 mm made of hard natural glass. Broad tubes, about dozens of standard measuring cylinder, stoppered and the graduated are used. Standard measuring cylinder stoppers and graduated 500 ml graduated in the 10 ml, 100 ml graduated in 1 ml 5. Okay, reagent, take a broth. Broth is prepared with the mixture of the following ingredient: meat extract, peptone water, sodium, distilled water 1000 ml, and that are dissolved the solid in the distilled water. Then sodium hydroxide is added to neutralize the normal hydrochloric acid. The broth is then sterilized by autoclaving at 50 lbs with pressure for 20 minutes. It is then filtered and placed in 5 ml quantities in sterile broth tube and is sterilized by autoclaving at the 50 lbps pressure for the 10 minutes. Test organism, the test organism Salmonella typhi is used. This culture is maintained by weekly subculture on the nutrient agar slope. It is incubated for 24 hours, concentration 37 degrees Celsius. Standard phenol, phenol of 5% weight by volume. Solution is prepared at 40.5 degrees Celsius in sterile distilled water. Test dilution as prepared from the stock solution containing 1 gram of phenol. Sample dilution, a test portion of 5 ml is withdrawn and then discharged into the about 480 ml of sterile distilled water into 500 ml stoppered sterile measuring cylinder. Then the cylinder stopper and the contained are mixed thoroughly. Suitable test dilution in the sterile distilled water. Then immediately prepare. Okay. So here procedure, here some reagent are required. In that reagent, 4 reagent required. First one broth, second one test organism, then standard phenol, and last one sample dilution. So broth is prepared by the meat extract 20 gram peptone, 20 gram sodium chloride, 10 gram, and the distilled water 1000 ml. Okay, so mix this all the ingredient and then thoroughly and then filter it, and when filtering then give the heat and then adjust the pH 7.6 with the hydrochloric acid. After preparing broth, then it is sterilized by autoclave with the 50 lbps pressure for 20 minutes. Okay, is then filtered and place 5 ml quantities in the sterile broth test tube and is sterilized by autoclaving. Okay, after that sterilize, take a 5 ml in the test tube and then test tube is sterilized for 10 minutes. Next one, test organism. So here we are taking the test organism, that is the Salmonella typhi. This culture is maintained by the weekly subculture. Also, they are incubated for the 24 hours into 30 degrees Celsius, 37 Celsius. Okay. Next one. And then store in the refrigerator at the temperature of below 22 degrees Celsius for the purpose of taste a little of growth from the most recent subculture of nutrient alga. And then that slope is placed in the tube of Ridal Walker broth and incubated for 23 hours at the 38 degrees Celsius. A standard loopful is then transferred to the second tube and the incubate. Okay, this is done for the at least 3 times before test is carried out. Okay, so that test organism is need to transfer 3 times. Okay, or 3 incubate 3 times. Okay, then they are used for the procedure. Then standard phenol, take a 5% of phenol, then it is prepared at the 40.5 degrees Celsius in the sterile distilled water, and that's the test solution dilution are prepared from the stock solution containing 1 gram of phenol in 95 100 ml 105 155 ml of the solution made. Then sample dilution or test portion of 5 ml we will withdraw and discharge into about 480 ml of sterile distilled water in the 500 ml glass stopper. Sterile measuring cylinder and the pipette is rinsed with 3 times. Okay, more the clear liquid. So here sample dilution, take a 500 ml distilled water. Okay. Next procedure, take a 5 ml of 4 chosen dilution then of disinfectant are placed in the 4 test tube. Okay, take a 4 test tube, add 5 ml disinfectant, then it is placed in the water bath at the temperature between the 70 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius with the strongest dilution on the left. Okay, in the 5th medication tube, take a 5 ml of particular phenol dilution is placed in the right when the content of the medication tube is a broth culture of the test organism have reached the temperature of the water bath starting at the 0 time. 2.5 ml culture is added to the left hand medication tube and the tube is shaken gently after 30 seconds. The next tube is inoculated similarly and the process is repeated. Each successive tube at the interval of 30 seconds until the phenol controls has been inoculated a loop full of well shaken content tube. Okay, the procedure is repeated at the interval of 30 seconds with each of 5 medication tube, working from the left to right until 4 sets of culture have been made. Okay, then 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 minutes respectively after exposure. Then the inoculate broth tubes are incubate for 48 hours at 37 degrees Celsius and observe for the growth of the test organism by formed turbidity of broth. A typically result method of calculating the coefficient is given below. So dilution done 1 into 400 ml distilled water, 1 into 500 ml distilled. So prepare dilution like this. Okay, first in the first test tube having 1 ml sample and 400 ml distilled water In second test tube 1 ml sample and 500 ml distilled water. In third 1 ml sample and 600 ml distilled water. In fourth 1 ml sample and 600 ml distilled water. And last one, fifth, that is the phenol tube, and phenol tube 1 ml phenol in the 100 ml distilled water. Okay, so see, in the four exposure, that is 2.5 minutes, 5 minutes and 7.5 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay, that four exposure, so growth is observed 2.5 minutes. Their second test tube, third test tube, fourth test tube and 5 test tube show the growth, and first does not show growth. Okay, in the after 5 minutes, first and second does not show growth, third, fourth, fifth show the growth. In the 7.5 minutes, first, second, third and fifth not show growth, and fourth show growth. And after 10 minutes, no one shows growth. Okay, so calculating the Ridal coefficient, the dilution of disinfectant killing in the 7.5 minutes but not in 5 minutes. So dilution of phenol coefficient, phenol killing in the 7.5 minutes but not in 5 minutes. Okay, so see, 7.5 minutes we are taking the dilution. Okay, 600 ml, and then dilution for phenol same as per 100 ml. Okay, so 600 divided by 100, the Ra coefficient is 6. Okay, disadvantages of Ridal-Walker test, that is no organic matter is included. Microorganisms Salmonella typhi may not be appropriate. Time allowed for disinfection is short. Used to evaluate phenolic type of infectant only. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of Ridal-Walker test. So I think you got it, what is done in the Ridal-Walker test. Okay, you are see the growth of microorganism, and if in which time the growth is observed in which concentration. Okay, see here, if concentration is 1 in 1000 ml, then here the no any growth observed. Okay, see, there are two types of extinction time method, in which extinction time is fixed and the concentration of disinfectant is needed to the kill in the specific time estimate, in which the concentration of bactericide is fixed and the extinction time is estimated. Okay, so these are the requirement for the Ridal-Walker coefficient. Okay, जे मी सांगितलं ते सगळे इथं हे केले. ओके, फर्स्टली स्टँडर्ड, देन ऑर्गॅनिझम नेट टू Salmonella typhi, then dilution done phenol, that is 1 into 1.5 ml, dilution test to disinfectant 1 into 100 ml, 1 into. Okay, reaction mixture should be 7.5, transport to the broth after 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 minutes. Broth test to be incubated 37 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hour exam, and presence or absence of growth. Okay, see, so here show the growth, first line show the growth, second in 5 minutes that first concentration does not show growth, other show growth. In the 7.5, first two does not show growth, other show growth, and the phenol does not show growth at the 7.5. And the last one 10 minutes, the threes are first, second and third, and the fifth one shows growth, does not show growth, and the fourth shows growth of bacteria. Okay, so see how it is calculated. RAW coefficient, dilution of state disinfectant killing in 7.5 but not in 5 minutes, divided by dilution of phenol killing in the 7.5 but not in 5 minutes. Okay, so see here the taking the first, that is the there show the kill the bacteria at that stage. Okay, here, okay, and here in that stage the growth that bacteria is completely killed. Okay, so here does not show any growth. So taking this concentration and this concentration, we are calculated the RAW coefficient. Okay, so here first calculation, disinfectant concentration 11,000 and the phenol concentration 105,000. So RA coefficient, that is 10.247. Okay, so this is the RA coefficient. Next one, Chick-Martin. So see the Chick-Martin. This test is carried out by presence in the organic matter of 3%. Procedure, see the serial dilution of the phenol solution, and phenol is prepared in the distilled water. Prepared 5% of solution in phenol to 5 yeast suspension is added after 30 minutes. Set up row 9 test tube to each test tube, add 2.5 ml of dilution. Okay, so see the overview of total overview what you done. Okay, so here the Ridal-Walker test coefficient each here having taking the medium of pH 7.3 to 7.5, volume taking 5 ml, then diluent taking 5 ml. Your diluent use, that is the water. Reaction temperature 70.5, organism, that is the Salmonella typhi. Then timing, see the timing there, 2.5, 5, 7.5 and the 10 minute. Okay, reading are taking. Calculation, dilution of test killing not for 7.5 but not in minutes, divided by dilution of phenol killing for 7.5 but not in 5 minutes. Okay, next one, FDA phenol coefficient test is done by the 6.8. Then taking the volume of 10 ml, rinse the mix the volume 10 ml, then diluent use water. Reaction temperature should be 20 degrees Celsius. Organism use, that is the Salmonella typhi. Timing taking 5, 10 and 15. Dilution of test killing in the 10 minutes but not in 5 minutes. Same dilution of phenol killing in the 10 minutes not in 5 minutes. Okay, so likewise that FDA phenol coefficient going to calculated. Next one, Chick-Martin coefficient. So here between the 7.3 to 7.5 medium, taking volume 10 ml, rinse mix volume, that is the 5 ml, diluent taking for Chick-Martin coefficient, that is the yeast suspension, and reaction temperature, that is the 30 degree Celsius. Organism, that is used Salmonella typhi, and sampling time, it is the check growth after 30 minutes. Okay, mean of high phenol concentration inhibit and the low permit growth divided by mean of, okay, high phenol concentration inhibit and the, okay, same disinfectant and the phenol, check the high concentration. Okay, in that high concentration which when concentration that going to kill the bacteria. Next one, phenol coefficient test, AOAC phenol coefficient test, that is the American Association of Official Analytics. Okay, so that see the this medium, that pH medium having the 6.8, volume taking for the sample 10 ml, then check volume 5 ml, water, diluent use water, then reaction temperature between or 30 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius, organism Salmonella typhi or Staphylococcus. Okay, so here only AOAC is used for by Staphylococcus. Okay, no other reaction used for the test used for the Staphylococcus. Only AOAC is going to use for Staphylococcus. Sampling time 5, 10, 15. Okay, same as FDA. Greatest dilution of test killing in 10 minutes, or same the greatest dilution of test killing for 10 minutes. Okay, phenols. So at which temperature going to kill the bacteria, that temperature is considered for the calculation. Next test, that is the Crown Agents phenol coefficient test. It is done by medium in the pH 7.3 to 7.5, taking volume, medium volume 5 ml, and again taking 5 ml. Here dilute used for the seawater. Reaction temperature between the 19 degrees Celsius. Organism Salmonella typhi. Sampling time 10 minutes, and the calculation greatest dilution test killing in the 10 minutes divided by greatest dilution of phenol after killing phenol killing the in the 10 minutes. Okay, so these are the 5 tests of the phenol coefficient test. So most important, that is Ridal-Walker coefficient test. Okay, after that they are modified by the FDA, CMC, OAC. Okay, so important two as are the Ridal-Walker coefficient and the Chick-Martin coefficient. Okay, so thank you. So we are stop here. Okay, see you in the